Hello everyone, today I want to share with you a recipe I made for myself during my last trip to Granada. That is why I am calling it Granada. All photos in this video were taken in Alhambra, an Islamic fortress from Granada, Spain. This is one of the most beautiful and visited places in Spain, so if you ever wanted to see more pictures of this place, this video is for you. For some time now I wanted to create a color recipe of my own that resembles film. My favorite recipe is Portra 800 from Fuji X Weekly, and that was my starting point. And I love the results. Depending on the light and how you expose this recipe will give you different results. Sometimes it looks like Portra 800, sometimes like Portra 400. And this makes it so fun because of the different results. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. All photos were taken with the Fujifilm X-T4 and Viltrox 23mm f1.4. I know most of you are here just for the recipe, but watching at least half of this video helps it reach more people and would be much appreciated. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. This will help me grow my channel and make more videos for you to watch.